Hello, 5th graders. This is Mrs. Brickert, your librarian. In today's lesson, we are going to cover citing your sources and how to cite specifically in Britannica and World Book Online. Our learning targets for today are: I can create a work citation page for my project, and I can locate citations on database pages in Britannica and World Book Online. The first thing you're going to need to do before researching and citing your sources is to create a bibliography. It is recommended that you do this in your Google Docs. Create a new document, go to New and Document in Google Docs, and title it Bibliography. Now it's time to explore our databases. First thing we're going to do is select middle school for our 5th grade project. I'm going to search Thomas Jefferson. I'm going to click on an article, and I'm going to plan that this is going to be an article I'm going to take notes on. After I've taken notes, I need to cite my work. Up here, I'm going to go to the Cite button and click on it. It's already set up in MLA, so all I need to do is highlight the citation, copy it, and then paste it directly into my bibliography. I will need to do this for every single article that I take notes on. So if I take notes on another Britannica article, like the United States or Diplomacy, I will need to have a citation for that one. Now let's go explore World Book Online. I'm going to click on World Book Online. We're going to go to the student database, and I'm going to again search Thomas Jefferson. Now I found an article that I'm going to use for research, but I need to also cite it. Here I'm going to look for the gearbox, and when I click on it, it'll give me the choice of citation. I click on citation, I find MLA, and then all I need to do is highlight the citation and copy it, and then paste it into my bibliography. Now I have cited both articles that I've taken notes on. Remember, every single article you take notes on must have a citation. So if you use more than one article in World Book, you must have more than one citation for that. So let's take a moment and review. Today, you should be able to now know how to create a work citation page in Google Docs for your project and locate the citations properly on database pages in Britannica and World Book Online. If you have any questions, please see me in the library. Thanks.